Welcome to the dark side.
Listen, guys, there is nothing more painful than watching Bitcoin and Ethereum and all your altcoins drop 40 to 80% in just a matter of weeks after you just spent the last 3 to 6 months building up your portfolio to all-time highs. But what if I told you that there was a way to identify when these massive liquidation events were about to happen, so that could prepare you to start locking in your profits on all the coins that you bought? In addition to that, understand how to make money when coins drop by learning how to short. I've been doing this for the last 20 years. In the last 7 years of my stock market career, all I ever did was look for catastrophic drops in the market, and I would take advantage of them, take advantage of everybody's greed, and make money when things dumped. If you understand that parabolic moves come to an end 110% of the time, you can start making massive gains when things drop, in addition to locking in more profits. Hodlers' worst nightmare is you learning how to take profits. They don't want you to take profits because that means people start selling. But guess what? Everyone starts selling eventually after prices get too high. So today, I'm going to teach you exactly how to identify when these massive liquidation events are about to happen, okay? And it's going to be called a strategy decrypton, right? We went through Krypton, we learned how to buy breakouts, we learned how to went long, we learned how to make a bunch of money. Now I'm going to teach you how to get the other side of that story, the double-edged sword, by learning both Krypton and decrypton. Let's just take a look at some examples, like when Ethereum was going parabolic, reaching over $4,000. I posted this on Instagram. I said, listen, guys, I'm counting down the ticking time bomb in Ethereum because this thing is about to take a massive shit. What happened next? It dropped over 60%, okay? And I was getting short, exiting out of my longs, getting short over 4,000, took advantage of this massive dump on Ethereum, okay? This isn't rocket science. This is just me with 20 years of experience understanding why things go up and why things go down. And that's what I'm gonna teach you into Krypton, okay? These are also just screenshots of my profits going short. $2,000 profit going short sushi, $31,000 going short sand, $2,000 profit going RSR, $8,000 profit on Alice, Uni, $7,000, XXP, $8,300, SXP, $2,800, XRP, $5,500, Ethereum, $4,800, okay? These are just a few examples of how I can make money when things go drop, and that's exactly what I want to teach you. So just imagine, crypto is crashing, everyone's freaking out. But guess what? You were able to anticipate this, lock in a bunch of profits, and then also short, and you are now actually making bank while everyone else is freaking out. A couple more examples of what this was happening. Just a couple more examples of me calling this price action before it happened. I tweeted giving out the warning. In the last two bull runs for Bitcoin, upon breaking the 50-day moving average, resulted in 83% and 62% declines. What happened just after that? Bitcoin dropped 55%. All the altcoins dropped 60 to 90%. Everyone's gains that they worked for all year long were just wiped out, okay? And there's nothing worse than making all this money and then giving it all back. The most important thing, identifying when to lock in profits. When these dips do happen, these catastrophic dips, which happen time and time again, it's very normal. If people don't realize that by now, they're completely fucking stupid. So it's important that you're able to lock in profits when your account's reaching up at all these all-time highs. When Bitcoin's at all-time highs, you lock in profits because you want to have free capital to be able to buy the dip. Another example, October 22nd, that the average pullback of the last 9 dips on Bitcoin since November 20th is 27%, which would suggest an average pullback to 48,600. That's the data based on price action. That's when Bitcoin was trading over 69,000, okay? What happened next? Right after that, negative 41% off the top down to 41,000, and now it's currently trading just about 48.6, okay? So this is not me playing fucking psychic, even though I did say right here I'm psychic, okay? This is me just understanding supply and demand, understanding how price action works, and understanding how to take advantage of people's greed, okay? Understanding that humans are emotional disasters, and that's what I want to teach you guys today in the Decrypton course, is how to short like a pro. The price for this is normally going to be $14.97, but we're doing a limited time launch price because we're just releasing this for just $997. You're going to learn everything I know in my almost 20-year experience. Mostly all my trades are short, but I also do make a lot of money going long that you'll see in the Krypton course. But there is no better feeling when the entire market is collapsing and you just sold the top and you're actually making money because you learned how to short crypto and everyone else is freaking out and you're sitting there having a good time, sleeping well at night, knowing that you locked in a bunch of gains, protected your capital, and you're actually making money when things drop. This is Decrypton, the secret sauce, the secret juice. If you want to get started on this, sign up below and I'll see you in the Decrypton course in addition to Krypton.
Welcome to the dark